Today I have a guest cook who is going to cook his famous Lasagne. Yes, you heard it, it's Lex and it's his signature dish. But a big warning to all his fans, I have stepped in and asked him to make it vegan. Hello lovelies, Eleanor here from No Nonsense Vegetarian Cooking. Lex first dealt with the eggplant. He salted it for about 20 minutes, rinsed it and oiled it and popped it in the oven. Now you don't see that because he couldn't wait for the photographer to get out of her office. Anyway, on to the tomato sauce. Heat the oil, fry the onion with a bit of salt, add some cracked pepper, wait till it's soft, add the capsicum, herbs and garlic. Then the tinned tomatoes and pasata, and you can add some water to that pasata bottle to get the dregs out and then stir it. Now I asked Lex to use cashew milk and yeast flakes for the bechamel sauce. The ratio to make any nut milk is 1 part nut to 4 part water in your high-speed blender for 1 minute. So Lex made a roux with vegan margarine and flour. He heated the milk separately, then added the roux and then stirred vigorously until it was smooth. And at the end, he added the yeast flakes for that cheesy flavour. Now the eggplant is cooked, he adds it to the tomato sauce. And now it's time to assemble the Lasagne. Basically, it's 3 layers of the tomato sauce with diced olives and pasta sheets in between. He breaks them up so it's easier to cut when serving. Just a tip for when making your nut milks. If you don't have a high-speed blender, soak your nuts for an hour or 2 before you blend them. Also, you can leave the eggplant as a separate layer instead of mixing with the sauce. It's your choice. The final layer is the bechamel sauce. Spread evenly and sprinkle with herbs, nuts, cheese, or nothing at all. Now bake it for 40 minutes and serve. Now thanks for watching. A big shout out to Lex. If you want to see more of Lex, please add a comment and remember to like and subscribe. It's Eleanor from No Nonsense Vegetarian Cooking, and I'll see you again next week. Bye for now.